Hello, my friend. Have you ever noticed how, no matter how challenging things may seem, there's always a way forward? It's as if life is constantly nudging us, whispering, everything always works out. Today, I want to speak directly to your heart and remind you of the incredible power you hold, the power to shape your reality through your thoughts, beliefs, and affirmations. Let's begin by addressing a truth that resonates deeply. What you believe to be true about yourself and your life is what you experience. When you align your inner dialogue with positivity, faith, and certainty, life unfolds in miraculous ways. The phrase, "everything always works out," is not just a comforting idea, it is a powerful affirmation that rewires your mind, shaping circumstances to reflect this truth. Take a moment to consider this. Every thought you dwell upon becomes a seed planted in the fertile soil of your imagination. When you nurture these thoughts with repetition and conviction, they grow into the reality you experience. If you constantly affirm, "everything always works out for me," you are planting seeds of ease, harmony, and success. You're not just hoping for a better outcome, you are creating it. Start your day with this affirmation, "everything always works out in my favor." Feel its truth as you say it. Visualize challenges resolving effortlessly, paths clearing, and opportunities arriving at the perfect time. When you engage your emotions in this way, the affirmation takes root more deeply, becoming part of your subconscious programming. It's not enough to say these words once and expect immediate results. Affirmations work through consistency. Think of them as a gentle yet persistent force reshaping the patterns of your mind. By repeating, "everything always works out," you train your mind to seek evidence of this truth. You begin to notice moments where things naturally fall into place, where obstacles become stepping stones. When doubt creeps in, note, persistence is key. Your circumstances may not change overnight, but with steady repetition, your internal state shifts, and life responds accordingly. Just as water wears down rock over time, consistent affirmations transform even the most stubborn beliefs. To truly believe that everything works out, you must develop a sense of faith in the process, in yourself, and in the unseen forces working on your behalf. Faith isn't about having all the answers or controlling every outcome, it's about trusting that things are moving in the right direction, even if you can't see it yet. Patience is a natural companion to faith. Imagine planting a seed. You don't dig it up every day to see if it's growing, you trust that it's doing its work beneath the surface. Similarly, your affirmations may take time to manifest visibly, but rest assured, they are creating powerful shifts within you and around you. Life is full of ups and downs, but affirmations like "everything always works out" serve as a guiding light during challenging times. When faced with obstacles, remind yourself that difficulties are not permanent. They are often catalysts for growth and transformation. By holding on to the belief that all things work together for good, you allow solutions to emerge naturally. Instead of viewing challenges as roadblocks, see them as detours guiding you to something better. Speak this affirmation even in the face of uncertainty, "this is working out for my highest good." Trust that life has a way of orchestrating events in your favor, even when it feels chaotic. Incorporating affirmations into your daily life doesn't have to be complicated. Begin by setting aside a few moments in the morning to center yourself. Close your eyes, take a deep breath, and repeat, "everything always works out for me." Let the words resonate within you. Feel the calm assurance they bring. Write the affirmation on sticky notes and place them where you'll see them often, on your mirror, desk, or phone screen. Let these reminders anchor you throughout the day. Whenever a negative thought arises, counter it immediately with your affirmation. Over time, this practice creates a powerful shift in your mental and emotional state. Affirmations are most effective when paired with aligned actions. As you affirm that everything works out, ask yourself, what steps can I take to move toward my desired outcome? Trusting the process doesn't mean being passive. It means acting with confidence, knowing that life is supporting your efforts. For example, if you're affirming abundance, take inspired steps toward financial growth. If you're affirming health, make choices that support your well-being. Your actions reinforce your beliefs, creating a harmonious flow between your inner and outer worlds. Each moment of your life holds the potential for change, even the seemingly ordinary ones. Think of how often we underestimate the power of the present. It is easy to get caught up in dwelling on the past or worrying about the future, but the present moment is where your true creative power resides. If you felt stuck, it's not because life isn't working for you, it's because you've momentarily forgotten that you hold the power to direct your experience. By turning your focus to the now and affirming what you desire with intention, you set the wheels of creation into motion. Here's something to ponder: every time you affirm a truth about your life, you're not just speaking words, you're creating an energetic shift. Your words carry the essence of your intentions. When you say, "Everything always works out for me," you're not just reassuring yourself. You're commanding the universe to align with that belief. Life responds to your dominant vibrations. The more you infuse your affirmations with belief and emotion, the faster you'll see results. Now let's talk about self-trust, a cornerstone of making affirmations work. Often, people doubt their ability to manifest what they want. They're quick to affirm something positive, but just as quickly, they allow fear and insecurity to creep back in. Building self-trust requires that you stand firm in your affirmations, even when external circumstances suggest otherwise. You might not see immediate evidence that things are working out, but that doesn't mean they aren't. Trust is about holding on to your faith long enough for the unseen to become seen. A practical way to build self-trust is to keep promises to yourself. Start small. Commit to saying your affirmations twice a day, for example, and follow through without fail. Each time you honor your word to yourself, you strengthen your sense of inner security. When you trust yourself, you'll find it easier to trust the process of life. And when you trust life, affirmations like "everything always works out for me" become not just words but a way of being. Let's explore another powerful aspect of affirmations: neutrality. Sometimes, affirming a specific outcome can create resistance if your current reality feels far removed from what you desire. In these moments, affirming general truths can be just as effective, if not more so. For instance, instead of saying, "I am wealthy," which might trigger doubts, try saying, "I am open to abundance in all its forms." When you affirm, "Everything always works out for me," you're not tying yourself to a specific outcome. Instead, you're allowing life to bring you the best possible resolution, often in ways you could never have predicted. Gratitude amplifies the power of affirmations. By focusing on what's already working in your life, you shift your energy to a state of appreciation and positivity. Each evening, reflect on the ways in which things have worked out for you, no matter how small. This practice reinforces the belief that life is on your side. As you give thanks, say, "I am grateful that everything always works out for me." Gratitude aligns you with the frequency of abundance, making it easier to attract more of what you desire. My friend, the phrase, "everything always works out," is not just something to say, it's a mindset, a way of being. When you think of this truth, you invite peace, confidence, and resilience into your life. Challenges become opportunities, delays transform into divine timing, and your path unfolds with grace. Speak these affirmations often. Feel their power. Allow them to become your truth. And as you go about your day, carry this belief in your heart: everything always works out. It always has, and it always will. Keep moving forward with faith and trust. The universe is working tirelessly on your behalf.